Hey guys, it's Cord here. Just wanted to say thanks for joining me today. Basically what this video and this series is going to entail is basically just reviewing how we completely renovated the game room here. So this has been a huge undertaking slash remodel that's happened over the past close to 4 years now. This was actually one of the first rooms we ended up deciding to redo. And I gotta say, sincerely thank my buddy Mark Pilecki for helping me kind of design this, come up with the idea, the layout. I'm absolutely thrilled with the transformation. And basically, it's been 3 years the way it's been sitting. Time to just update a few little things, do some new flooring, moldings, make it a little bit more of like a family room or like a living room type area. So it's been a great game room, had a lot of great memories here. I can't thank all my friends and family enough for all of the time and help they provide for me. It's been definitely a group effort, and like I said, I got some heartfelt thanks for that. So basically what I'm going to review right here is going to be a little bit of a slideshow, just some of the original photos we had back in the day. This was my grandmother's house, and like I said, when we got into here, it was a total renovation project. We basically gutted the entire place from stem to stern, and just made it more livable, updated, all the nice new finishes, and make it a little bit more modern. So as you can see here in these photos, this is basically just reviewing. This was truly just a 3-car garage. This one additional bay that we converted into the game room was actually, just basically storage on the side. So we ended up framing in a wall and gave it about another 300 or so square footage of space to, basically have for an auxiliary room. It's one of those things, it was great to have parties in here, not track, people walking through your entire house. Thanks to Mark's design, he ended up helping me come up with an idea where we could do basically sliding glass patio doors, so it was easier access to the outdoor area. And it's become very, very nice. It's a beautiful, design, and very functional the way it sits. So as you can see in these photos, I initially built this room basically just to encapsulate a pool table I bought years ago, and that was the main function of this room. It was going to be a game room and play pool, watch the games, things like that in here. Time's gone on, I needed some additional space, and life changes, so I ended up selling the pool table, and that's one big reason why we're looking to change this. And as you can see here, and what I'm going to do a walk around is what you're going to basically see the additions and updates to in this new build series. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, keep up to date with what's going on, and if you hit the little bell down below, that'll notify you for any new uploads that I have coming in the near future. So I'm going to try and do about 1 video a week. That's my goal, and other than that, I hope you enjoy the content. So thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon. So what I was going to do is kind of walk you through what we got going on currently. So right through this door here, this is the current man cave slash game room. So we completely restructured this room a few years back. None of this existed really. This was just a third bay of the garage, and we were able to basically encapsulate this whole room, and it's been fantastic, for the last couple years. So we really enjoy it. The nice part of this is, at least, was more living space. Picked up about an additional 300 square feet or so to this room. It's approximately 14 by 24, and it's been excellent for parties and hanging out and just kind of getting away and not trying to make a mess of the living room. It's nice to contain it all right in here. A couple things we did, we ended up actually having a standard man door to get outside to the dog's yard and backyard through there. Ended up closing that up and ended up putting this nice sliding glass door. We ended up doubling the size of the windows in the front and the rear, or vice versa I should say there. And then we also added this door to get entry into the standard 2-car garage. So as you can see here, we did some cool things. We ended up actually putting this race deck flooring in, which has been fantastic. It's a nice durable, kind of like a plastic type flooring. I liked it. It served its purpose for a couple years, so we're planning on transplanting this into the garage. And then what we're going to end up doing is, we have right over here, we got some new Pergo, kind of like a a laminate flooring, but you can see it's going to be pretty nice. It's got more of kind of that like grayish tones to it, which obviously you can see kind of carries out through the entire room. So, basically over the next, few videos, we're going to end up basically tearing this all out, starting from scratch, and, just making it a little bit better. One huge thing we're going to end up doing is basically actually heating the floor. We're going to put a heating element in here, which is going to be great because currently this is just not a concrete slab, and it definitely tends to be cold in the wintertime. So by incorporating that heating floor, that's going to be excellent. We're going to put the new flooring down. We're going to update the trim all the way around the room. A couple cool things too. We actually just recently got this. This is what's called a mini split. So this is by Mr. Cool. It's a do-it-yourself mini split, 18,000 BTU. The nice part of this is going to actually be able to you know, do heating and cooling for the room. Right now we just have a window unit for the AC, and then we had just kind of like one of those vent-free heaters over here. It's been okay. You know, it definitely works. The nice part with the Mr. Cool system though is it's going to be thermostat controlled, Wi-Fi compatible. Just going to be a more even heating temperature throughout here, you know, through the winter months, and that's something we could let run a little bit better and, you know it's running properly. Besides that, we updated the bar somewhat recently. Got a new fridge. You know, as far as, you know, basically the AV receiver and all the information's all set over there. And then I just actually added these shelves not too long ago for the bar and everything. So, you know, got our chalkboard over there. You know, we like to do parties and things throughout the year, and kind of gives it a little bit more of that, you know, rustic touch. But we're going to update the couches, probably put a little bit of an area rug down here. We got a longer couch to go on this side, and we'll have a love seat over there. And, you know, this is going to be the main hangout area. Back here, we're just going to have, I believe, a workout area in the corner, and then over here will be just a nice table, you know, obviously for, you know, poker or, you know, games, anything like that, and, you know, try and make it as functional as possible. So we got crown molding we're going to be putting up all the way around, and we'll see what else we have in store from there. So without further ado, that's basically it for today. I'm going to end up running the wiring for the Mr. Cool system. The convenient part about this is we do have a, you know, junction box or, you know, everything right there for the wiring. So get that all hooked up. We do have to cut a portion of this drywall out to do the wiring. Reason being is we're going to be having the wires come around the top for the, you know, Mr. Cool mini split, and then we're going to have from the bottom up is going to be the wiring for the, you know, heating floor element. So gotta get both of those taken care of, and, you know, it's a necessary evil, but it won't be too crazy as far as that goes. So other than that, please comment, subscribe, like below. We should have some, you know, entertainment hopefully about once a week for you guys. So I appreciate you watching, and, you know, we're going to get this YouTube thing going again. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.